To milestone a pathologist's journey beyond the life Haina Mingthonva Dr. Thangjam Dhabali Singh ki autobiography AMADI KOROUGI mangal Haina Mingthonva LOUREMBAM ORENKUMAR Dr. Thangjam Dhabali ki maramda iba biography LAIRIK OINA PHONGKHRE Classic Grande Chingmairongda ngarang pangthokkiba LAIRIK phongbagi thoram aduda Professor N.G. Bijoy Singh, former Professor of Surgery, former Director RIMS, former VC Manipur University and ex-member of Legislative Assembly Professor N. Rajamohan, former Vice Chancellor Dhanamanjuri University Professor Krishnan Bhaskar, Director IIT Manipur na athoiba mithungnen sing oina saruk yakhi loinana ORENKUMAR LOUREMBAM KH Krishnan Pradeep Phanjobam amadi Dr. N.K. Singh na thoram aduda special guest oina saruk yakhi.
Dignitaries on the dais, distinguished invitees, Dr. Dhabali Singh, Managing Director, Babina Groups of Companies. It is my proud privilege to be here as chief guest on this grand book release function, a book on the autobiography of Dr. Thangjam Dhabali Singh and biography of a person who at one time happened to be my beloved student, now a great child of Mother Manipur. He happened to be one of my favorite students, meritorious in the works of life as observed since his student career till today. He stood third in final MBBS examination under Guwahati University. When under Guwahati University, 3 medical colleges were there, Guwahati, Silchar and Manipur. Represented the then Regional Medical College, now RIMS. In All India Medicos Indoor Games held at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, in table tennis stream. I am happy to mention that in the mixed double, his TT table tennis partner was none other than his better half, director of RIMS, accompanied them to Delhi. Dr. Dhabali was quite soft